Oh!
Oh shit! Oh no! Should have gone where the Hindenburg went.
I should have, didn't I?
This is going to be a good YouTube shot.
Fucking hell!
Cold on the balls as well, I guess.
Oh, is there a hole there, Greg?
I'll wait till
Do you want a hand, Greg?
It's alright guys, you just fucking sit there and laugh at me.
Rightio then.
I'm filming.
I don't want to get wet feet.
Neither do I. Oh.